Stop putting raw tofu in your stir fry if you want results like this. I've been vegan for 8 years and I've seen every tofu trick in the book and none of them give you this. You want it meaty, sticky, almost chewy. A perfect meat replacer for this Thai basil stir fry. First you crumble it, coat it in tomato paste, olive oil, dark soy, maple syrup and spices. Bake it for 30 minutes until it crisps up at the edges and stir every 10 minutes. While it's in the oven, throw your carrot and fennel in vinegar with a pinch of sugar and salt and just leave it. It gets sharper the longer it sits. Get your pan screaming hot, add your garlic and onion and cook it until your kitchen smells unreal. Then the bell pepper goes in, the tofu goes in and you keep everything moving so nothing goes soft. And pour in the sauce and toss until it coats everything and turns glossy. Turn the heat off and throw a big handful of Thai basil. Pile it over jasmine rice, load up the pickled veg on top, squeeze lime over the whole thing. Now dig in and enjoy.